Welcome to OfficeLogix Shop's tutorial on how to replace the gas cylinder on the Steelcase Leap V2. There are two types of gas cylinders, a side-activated cylinder and a top-activated one. For the top-activated cylinder, you need to remove the seat and continue with the instructions. As for the side-activated cylinder, you can replace it without removing the seat. However, if you're not sure what type of gas cylinder you have, you should disconnect the cylinder from the chair and inspect it, because it's essential to know what type of cylinder you have before purchasing a new one. We will start by removing the seat. To remove the seat, make sure that the seat is all the way back. Flip the chair and get a long, flathead screwdriver, 20 inches long or more. The longer the better. Using the screwdriver, disengage the button under the seat, which acts like a stopper to keep the seat from sliding out. Now, to replace the top-activated cylinder, using a monkey wrench, disconnect the cylinder from the chair. Remove the cylinder from the base by giving it a few hits with the wrench, then insert the new one. Put the chair over the new cylinder. Now we need to balance the pin. If the cylinder is overactivated, meaning the seat automatically goes up or sinks down when you sit in it, then we need to loosen it. If the seat is not responding when pushing the button, then we need to tighten the pin. Using an Allen wrench, you need to either tighten or loosen the pin to balance it. To replace the side-activated cylinder, using a monkey wrench, disconnect the cylinder from the chair. Remove the cylinder from the base by giving it a few hits with the wrench, then insert the new one. You can notice that this one has a plate to activate the cylinder from the side. Insert the new cylinder while facing the plate from the inside. Once it's secured, flip the chair over, then give it a try. Now, to install the seat, insert the seat as shown onto the rails. Make sure that the rails are in their place, or else the seat will not slide. That's it! Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to get our latest helpful videos.